29 years ago, I was in a lecture that was given by one of the leading dermatologists in the world, Professor Ari Ingber. In that evening, I went to my friend and expert in computer science, and he told me that AI is not sophisticated enough and not advanced enough in order to have a virtual dermatology. 3 years ago, things changed. It was clear, actually, that AI in healthcare will become the standard of care in no time.
Derma Detect is a pioneering technology company. In a very short period of time, the company turned from an idea to a working product. And today the product is active, providing real healthcare solution to real patients. Moreover, the company is about to launch a nationwide pilot study with 2 of the leading HMOs in Israel.
DermaDetect is a new medical app in the field of dermatology. We enable instant analysis of your skin disorder using your smartphone. We also offer a potential solution to your problem and a management plan. We have studied for more than a year the way dermatologists work, the way they reach a conclusion in the clinic, checking the patient. And we basically created an application that mimics the way they work.
Our technology will support the dermatologist and will confirm his diagnosis. The first minute, he will see the history of the patient, he will see the diagnosis, and then everything will go much faster.
The patient needing to analyze his or her skin conditions downloads the app from the App Store. In less than 1.5–2 minutes, he goes through a process on his smartphone and answers few questions we asked him. In addition, he takes a photo of his skin condition. All this information is being processed on our servers, and we push this information to a panel of dermatologists, complementing it with our insight from our system. Those insights, this information we provide to the dermatologist, allow him to reach a conclusion in less than 30 seconds.
Currently, we're working with a set of 350 diseases, and we just don't have enough data for all the classes. Also, like in our point, is the imbalance between skin types. We have a lot of images of light skin, but we have a limited amount of images for skin type 3 and 4. Last challenge actually is the fusion between different data sources. So currently we are collecting the data from the user and we're asking different questions about the condition. So we are analyzing the image and trying to combine the data from the image and data from the user to predict the condition. We are starting to collect a lot of data from the pilots we are working with. This data will help us with the challenges of unbalanced classes. Also, with large amounts of data, we can train models dedicated for extraction of dermatology-specific features from image. Those models will help us to solve the second issue with diseases missing any training data and to predict the disease based on a single shot only. In the future, we are going to move part of the processing power to the user device, which will allow us to extract features and process user images directly on the device without sending it to the cloud engine.
We want to bridge the gap between the need of the patient to get an immediate diagnosis on the spot using his smartphone, and on the other hand, we want to allow the physician to spend much less time on each case and contribute this time to focusing on the patient himself.